Good morning. Welcome to your Thursday, March 8th daily operations weather briefing. Currently across the region, we do have high pressure building over the area with the area of low pressure that affected the region yesterday, currently off the New England coastline, and will continue to be providing that area with some moderate to heavy snowfall this morning to this afternoon. But here over the local area, we'll have high pressure overhead, and we'll start to see an increase in cloudiness later this morning into the afternoon, as the sunshine that we have this morning will generally lead to some weak instability, which will allow for some low-level cloud cover to really develop over the area, eventually starting to see partly and mostly cloudy skies, which will hamper our daytime highs today and keep them locked in into the mid 40s for our daytime highs today. However, we will be expecting some breezy conditions today, as will be borderline for wind advisory criteria. Currently across the area, we do just have some a few cumulus clouds off to our southeast, as well as a couple cirrus clouds as well. So right now, having a few at the 6,000 foot level and few at 25,000, with winds slightly gusty at the northwest at 11 knots, gusting to 18 knots, and a temperature of 39 degrees as of 8 a.m. Over the next 24 hours, we do have a chance that we could see some wind advisory criteria winds. It's a fairly low chance right now, as it's really going to be dependent on how much cloud cover develops over the local area and how fast it actually moves in. If we have more sunshine as we head into this afternoon, there's a better chance that we could see winds approaching that wind advisory criteria of 25 knots. If we do get a little bit more cloud cover like I'm expecting, those winds should be capped at around 22 knots for the max gusts as we head into this afternoon, with a sustained wind out of a west-northwesterly direction about 9 to 14 knots. Our daytime high is expected to be 47 degrees, which is about 7 degrees below normal for this time of year. And as we head into the evening time frame, still remaining mostly cloudy, and then we'll have an upper level trough move through the region, be a fairly sharp one, and it has a chance to produce some light snow showers over the local area after 8 p.m. and it should continue through about, those chances will continue through about midnight tonight. We're only looking at about a 20% chance of having any light snow shower move through the area. Not really expecting any accumulations with it, but just to say that we could see some snow showers move through the area this evening. And then after that, we'll start to see clouds begin to decrease. We'll start off mostly cloudy after midnight, and then eventually becoming partly cloudy closer to 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, with our low temperature expected to be around 31 degrees. And as we head towards that 8 a.m. hour tomorrow morning, we'll start to see our winds pick back up out of the west at 10 to 15 knots, gusting to 23. And tomorrow looks like a fairly good chance that we are going to see that wind advisory criteria being met during the middle portions of the morning into the early afternoon. Our tides are currently 1.5 feet above normal, and those should be returning to more normal levels as we go into the later portions of today and into tomorrow. So as we head into our day on Friday, we'll have mostly sunny and breezy conditions with high pressure continuing to build over the area. We'll have a high of 49 degrees, and those winds look to pick up and potentially gust between 30 to 35 miles per hour tomorrow morning into the early afternoon time frame. And then by Friday night, winds pretty much subsiding, partly cloudy and cold with a low of 30 degrees. And then for Saturday, we'll have a fairly nice day, mostly sunny and seasonable, with increasing cloudiness late with a high of 50 degrees. Well, that'll conclude the daily operations weather briefing for today. We'll be back with you at 10 a.m. for the extended outlook. Have a great day.